It is genuinely one of the highlights of my year to be here this morning. To welcome you all to the NEC Birmingham for Interplas 2026. So what have we got for you for the next 3 days? Well, you'll find 500 suppliers on the show floor, showcasing the latest in machinery, materials and manufacturing technology. And this Insights conference will run across all 3 days with some world-class speakers. And in between all of that, talk to people. Have the conversations that you've been meaning to have. That's what Interplas is for. Explore things you didn't expect to find, have conversations that take you somewhere new. Leave with one idea, one contact, one piece of technology on your radar that changes something about how you work. That's what the best Interplas moments look like.